Hello friends, it's indeed inspiring to see you back again. Today we are going to discuss about domains, websites and hosting. So let us start. You can see here one example of domain written https://www.indeedinspiring.com. So here if we split this particular domain name into parts, we will get 4 parts. The first part you can see here is HTTPS. This is the first part. This is called as Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and then the S means secure. So this is a secure layer of transferring data on network. Next is www. This is World Wide Web. And third one is Indeed Inspiring. This is basically domain name, the name of the website, domain name. And the fourth one is com or .com. This is the extension. So these are basically components of a domain name. So once you are selecting a domain name, you have to put focus on the actual domain name as well as the extension you need to take. We will discuss more about it in the next slide. Here you can see that we have certain extensions. Today we have lot many extensions available, but these are certain popular extensions which you should know. .com is basically meant to be used for commercial purpose. So if you are going to open some company, some organization, and the operations are commercials, then basically you can take up .com extension with your domain name. If you are having some educational website, then you can have .edu. So this is for educational institutions like schools and colleges. Then we have .net. .net is specially meant for organizations which participate in networking technologies, which could be infrastructure companies or ISPs, internet service providers. But these days it is not basically hardly strictly restricted to them. Some other companies are also using .net extension. .gov. This is basically reserved for government bodies. It cannot be taken by any other apart from government bodies. .mil, it is derived from military, so that extension is for military. .org, it was specially developed for non-profit organizations, but again it is not rigidly enforced that basically it should be only used for non-profit organizations. It can be used for by any other domain as well. It may be commercial also. Here you can see a demo that how you can create a domain. So the domain name has to be a single word. There should not be any kind of space. You can use hyphen, you can use dash, you can use that, but you cannot basically put a gap. Then you have DNS settings, domain name system settings. These settings will help your domain to point to a website. What is pointing to a website? Pointing to a website means that your website is actually lying in some server. So these are the DNS records. So we will see all these in details in the upcoming tutorials, upcoming sessions. So I will request you to keep up with us to basically know more about domain names. Let's move ahead. Now moving ahead towards the website. I believe you must be aware of website. Nobody in this world is now not aware of a website. But what exactly is the purpose of a website? It is online business property of some business owner. Physical stores you have. Similar way, if you want some digital stores, create your website. Website is your own digital property. It also helps you by 24/7 up and running. It serves your customers. And we can have chatbots included in the website which will handle your customers automatically. So this is basically a website. Here in the animation you can see the website can also work on your laptops or PCs. It can also work on your mobiles. Let's move ahead. If you want to make your website live, in that case you will have to purchase or you will have to take it on rent a space where your website will be live. Because once you develop your website, you have different web pages, you have some database. That database has to be on some CPU, and we call this CPU as server. the CPU should be online. So therefore that is something online rental space we need to take in order to make the website live. This is about hosting. This is called as web hosting or simply hosting of a website. So here the first thing we need is a website. The website should be responsive for any device and it should be mobile ready. Again, in the animation you can see that the website design is mobile ready. That means whatever screen you use to open up the website, it is getting shrinked and all the components are getting adjusted according to the screen. This is called as responsiveness of the website. So let's basically start understanding and learning how to create a website.
If you liked our video and would like to recommend it to your friends, please like, share and subscribe to Indeed Inspiring Infotech. We would also love to hear your suggestions and feedback in the comment section below.